Welcome to Skill Courses channel. In today, we will discuss about what is operating system, the role of operating system, and role of operating system in YouTube. So this video is divided into three sections. So let's dive in. What is operating system? An operating system is like of your boss of your computer. It is special software that manages all other programs and hardware on your devices. Its main purpose is to manage and coordinate the computer's hardware and software resources. The operating system provides user-friendly interface, which is the way you interact with your computer. It makes it easier for you to perform tasks and access various functions on your computer. Operating systems are present in various devices, including computers, smartphones, and tablets. They are the backbone that enables the functionality of these devices. What is the role of operating system? First, memory management. Operating system handles memory management, which involves allocating and managing computer memory effectively. When you run program, an operating system ensures that each program gets the memory space to execute its task. It keeps tracks and which part of memory are in use and which are available. Make sure there is enough memory for programs to run smoothly. By managing memory efficiently, the operating system prevents conflicts and maximizes the overall performance of the computer. Second, process management. Operating system handles process management, which involves managing multiple programs running simultaneously. They prioritize the scheduled tasks to ensure smooth operations. When you open multiple programs, the operating system assigns processor time to each program, allowing them to run concurrently. It ensures fair sharing resources and prevents one program from monopolizing the entire system. The operating system also handles task scheduling, deciding which tasks get executed and when to optimize overall performance and responsiveness. Third, device management. Operating system facilitates the interaction between user and input-output devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer. They provide device drivers, which are software components that allows the operating system to communicate with these devices. For example, when you type on the keyboard, the operating system translates the keystrokes into meaningful input for the computer. It also controls the display on monitors and enables the mouse move the cursor. Device management ensures that user interaction with hardware devices are seamless and efficient. Fourth, file management. Operating system handles file management, which involves organizing, storing, and protecting files on storage devices such as drivers and solid-state drives. They provide file systems that define how data is organized and accessed on storage devices. Operating system manage file operation like creating, copying, moving, and deleting files. They also enforces the file security by implementing permissions and access control to protect file from unauthorized access. File management ensure data integrity, accessibility, and efficient storage utilization. What is operating system for YouTube? Running web browsers and YouTube applications. Operating system enables the execution of web browser and dedicated to YouTube applications on various devices. Web browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari rely and enabling the operating system to functions. Similarly, YouTube applications on smartphone, tablet, smart TV are built on top. The operating system specific each devices. Operating system provides the foundation for accessing YouTube content through these applications, video playback, audio output, and user interaction. Operating system handle critical component of the YouTube experiences, including video playback, audio output, and user interaction. They coordinate the communication between YouTube application or web browser and hardware component responsible for rendering video and playing audio. Operating system ensures smooth video playback by efficiently utilizing system resources such as the graphic processing unit GPU to decode and display video. They also manage audio output, ensure proper synchronizing video playback. Furthermore, operating system enables the user interactions like play, pause, seek, and volume control, allowing user to navigate the customize their YouTube experiences. Smooth video streaming and network management. Operating system play a vital role to ensure smooth video streaming on YouTube, and they manage network connection, optimizing data transfer rates, minimizing buffering time. Operating system handles network protocols such as TCP/IP, allocates bandwidth effectively to provide seamless streaming experiences. They also work tandem and with the web browser and YouTube application to catch data perfect videos, and implement adaptive streaming technology which automatically adjusts video quality based on available network bandwidth. This functionality contributes an uninterrupted playback and faster loading times. Fourth, resource management for a great YouTube experiences. Operating system optimize the system of deliver a great YouTube experiences. They allocate CPU, time, memory storage efficiently, ensures that YouTube application on web browser receives the necessary resources, operate smoothly. Operating system prioritize tasks, giving higher priority to video playback and audio processing to avoid lags or stuttering. They also manage power consumptions, especially on mobile devices, to maximize the battery life during YouTube usage. By optimizing resources allocation, operating system enhances overall performance and user satisfaction on YouTube. Conclusion: throughout this video, we explore the operating system of the world's technology to specific focus on their role managing computer resources and their relevance to YouTube. Let's recap the main point and we discuss. We define the operating system is a boss of your computer managing all software and hardware components. Operating system play a crucial role managing computer resources including memory, process, device and files. Their systems are not limited to computers, they are present in smartphones, tablets and other devices, enabling their functionality. In the context, the YouTube operating system runs browser and YouTube application ensure access to YouTube content. They handle video playback, audio output and user interaction contributing to seamless YouTube experiences. Operating system is play a vital role in smooth video streaming, managing network connections, and optimizing system resources. Operating systems are the backbone of the functionality and the user experiences. They work behind the scenes and to ensure your computer, smartphone, and run tablet smoothly, efficiently, and allowing to enjoy application including YouTube. We encourage you to appreciate and significant work operating system and to explore further about them and impact on technology. Thank you for watching and we hope you have gained valuable insights into world's operating system.